Hello, champions. Welcome back to the English Way, where learning English becomes simple and super enjoyable. Today's lesson is one of the most powerful videos on this channel because we are practicing 50 advanced daily use English sentences along with Hindi meaning. This is a shadowing practice video, which means you must speak with me. This is how you start sounding natural, fluent, and confident. So, take a deep breath, straighten your posture, and let's begin this amazing journey. The first section is about your emotions, your habits, and your mindset. Let's get started. Sometimes staying silent is the wisest reply. कभी कभी चुप रहना सबसे समझदारी भरा जवाब होता है. Repeat after me. I'm trying to reorganize my priorities. मैं अपनी प्राथमिकताओं को फिर से तय करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Say it with me. I have a habit of overthinking things. मुझे चीज़ों को ज़्यादा सोचने की आदत है. Your turn. I'm gradually working on my shortcomings. मैं धीरे धीरे अपनी कमियों पर काम कर रहा हूँ. Echo my words. I hope you understand my situation. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप मेरी स्थिति समझेंगे. Repeat after me. I'm adapting myself according to the circumstances. मैं हालात के हिसाब से खुद को ढाल रहा हूँ. Say it with me. To be honest, I still haven't made up my mind. सच कहूँ तो मैं अभी भी फैसला नहीं कर पाया हूँ. Your turn. I'll think about it in depth. मैं इस पर गहराई से सोचूंगा. Repeat after me. Great start. Remember, fluency is not a talent, it's a habit, and you're building that habit right now. Welcome to section 2, Decisions, Patience, and Clarity. These sentences help you sound thoughtful, clear, and emotionally intelligent. Use them when you need to explain decisions, hesitation, or personal reasoning. This really touched me deeply. यह बात मुझे अंदर तक छू गई. Echo my words. I'll need some time for this. मुझे इसमें थोड़ा समय लगेगा. Repeat after me. I can't make a rushed decision on this. मैं जल्दबाजी में निर्णय नहीं ले सकता. Say it with me. I don't dwell on the past. मेरा ध्यान पिछली बातों पर नहीं रहता. Your turn. I'm aware of my limitations. मुझे अपनी सीमाओं का एहसास है. Repeat after me. I'm trying to learn from my mistakes. मैं अपनी गलतियों से सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Echo this line. This is a turning point for me. यह मेरे लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण मोड़ है. Say it with me. I had taken it personally. मैंने इस बात को दिल पर ले लिया था. Your turn. Every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep the momentum alive. Let's jump to section 3. This section teaches you how to express boundaries, focus, and motivation. I'm currently focused on improving myself. मैं फ़िलहाल खुद को सुधारने पर ध्यान दे रहा हूँ. Repeat after me. I don't want to miss this opportunity. मैं इस मौके को गंवाना नहीं चाहता. Echo my words. I feel like I need some space. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे थोड़ी दूरी चाहिए. Your turn. I don't want to be a burden on anyone. मैं किसी पर बोझ नहीं बनना चाहता. Say it with me. I am looking at it from a different perspective. मैं इसे एक अलग नज़रिए से देख रहा हूँ. Repeat after me. This is bothering me. ये मुझे परेशान कर रहा है. Say it with me. We must find a practical solution. हमें एक व्यावहारिक समाधान ढूंढना होगा. Your turn. I need to take care of my mental well-being too. मुझे अपने मानसिक स्वास्थ्य का भी ख्याल रखना है. Echo my words. Always remember, every English sentence you learn adds more confidence, more clarity, and more power to your voice. Great job so far. Now let's jump into section 4, which is about responsibility, balance, and growth. This section helps you express how you manage pressure, handle challenges, and work on becoming a better version of yourself. These sentences will make your English sound mature, thoughtful, and emotionally strong, just like a confident communicator. Use them when you want to talk about your daily responsibilities, your personal journey, and the changes you're making in life. I'm taking this seriously. मैं इसे गंभीरता से ले रहा हूँ. Repeat after me. I don't want to cause you inconvenience. मैं आपको किसी भी तरह की असुविधा नहीं देना चाहता. Say it with me. My routine has become quite hectic. मेरी दिनचर्या काफ़ी व्यस्त हो गई है. Your turn. I want to take things slow. मैं चीज़ों को धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ. Repeat after me. It wasn't easy for me. यह मेरे लिए आसान नहीं था. Echo my words. I need to stay neutral on this. मुझे इस पर तटस्थ रहना होगा. Say it with me. I don't have enough energy for this. मेरे पास इसके लिए पर्याप्त ऊर्जा नहीं है. Your turn. This phase taught me a lot. इस समय ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया है. Repeat after me. You're doing great. Your consistency is your superpower. In this section, you'll learn powerful sentences that help you express your thoughts clearly, stay mentally organized, and communicate decisions with confidence. Use these lines when you want to sound calm, logical, and in control of your emotions and choices. These sentences will strengthen the way you express serious thoughts, confusion, or important decisions in everyday conversations. Sometimes I have to convince myself too. कभी कभी मुझे खुद को भी समझाना पड़ता है. Say it with me. This decision was taken after a lot of thought. यह फैसला काफ़ी सोच समझ कर लिया गया है. Your turn. I'm still trying to figure things out. मैं अभी भी चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Echo my words. I need to keep control over this. मुझे इस पर नियंत्रण रखना है. Repeat after me. This is a big step for me. यह मेरे लिए एक बड़ा कदम है. Say it with me. I've gone through a lot of changes lately. मैं हाल में बहुत बदलावों से गुजरा हूँ. Your turn. I felt the need to do so. मुझे ऐसा करने की ज़रूरत महसूस हुई. Repeat after me. This is my final decision. यह मेरा अंतिम निर्णय है. Echo my words. Final stretch learners. Let's step into section 6. Emotions, acceptance, and new experiences. In this section, we'll understand our feelings better, learn to accept situations calmly, and open ourselves to new possibilities. Remember, when you feel, accept, and explore, you grow faster. Let's begin. I don't want to prove you wrong. मैं आपको गलत साबित नहीं करना चाहता. Say it with me. All this is new to me. यह सब मेरे लिए नया है. Your turn. I'm preparing myself for this. मैं इसके लिए खुद को तैयार कर रहा हूँ. Repeat after me. I can't control everything. मैं हर चीज़ को नियंत्रित नहीं कर सकता. Echo my words. I had to make this decision from the heart. मुझे यह फैसला दिल से लेना पड़ा. Say it with me. I'm now ready to take responsibilities. मैं अब जिम्मेदारियां निभाने के लिए तैयार हूँ. Your turn. It took me time to accept this. मुझे इसे स्वीकारने में समय लगा. Repeat after me. I like to keep things simple. मुझे चीज़ों को सरल रखना पसंद है. Say it with me. I don't expect anything from anyone. मैं किसी से भी उम्मीद नहीं रखता. Repeat after me. Things don't always go as planned. हमेशा सब कुछ योजना के अनुसार नहीं होता. Say it with me. Congratulations! You just completed 50 advanced English sentences with shadowing practice. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining.